Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to use electric handbrake. Right now the handbrake is enabled and you can see that by icon right here, this brake red button. To disable it, press brake, and now you have to press this button right here. Now park brake is released. You can see that on icon right here because it's gone. To enable park brake again, simply pull this button again. And you don't have to press the brake again. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.